Okay, so you're going to be making a video using PowerPoint about over the shoulder. So in week 33 Monday, it gives you the exam or all the requirements of the video. It needs to have a definition, when it is used, why it is used, and you have to have at least 2 examples and non-examples. So a couple things that you need to do. One, you need to use the downloaded version of the PowerPoint. That means it has to be the one on the computer, not the one in OneDrive. You have to have at least 8 slides. Each slide has to have an animation, a transition, and a graphic. You may use a template, start with a template if that's what you want to do, and it has to be turned in as a movie, not as a PowerPoint. It is due on Wednesday. So, like I said, it has to be the downloaded version. So down here, you can go down here and you can put in PowerPoint and find the app. Do not go to your single sign-on, go to OneDrive, go to PowerPoint. Don't go that way. It does not have the same commands, same things that you can do as the downloaded one. So you're going to open up PowerPoint and you're going to create a new presentation. If you want to use a template, you can go over here under new and you can pick a template if that's what you want to do. I know mine is a little bit different. I'm doing this on my home computer, not on my school computer, but I'm sure you can find the templates. I think over here it says templates on the one that we have at school. So you can go ahead and just click on one and it will create it. You're going to, name it over the shoulder in film. All right. This is not considered a graphic, and a graphic is considered when you go to insert and you go to pictures and you go to the device or to the internet or to, if you can find it, if you can go to the ones they look up, you can click on it. So this is a graphic, okay? Now, one of the things I wanted to tell you that is if you go to home, this tab up here, and you go to designer, it will bring up a window and it will actually change things around, make things different. It's just kind of to make it a look better, different, whatever. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then you get just click here and you're going to put in, definition, if that's what you want to start with. I'm leaving this all up to you. And then you can go back to over the shoulder in film. You can copy it and paste it. And I'm going to make it centered. I'm just going to make it look pretty because that's the way I am. I'll change the font. You have 3 days to work on this, so you can take a few and do this. All right, so now, one of the other things that you had to have done is you had to have both an animation and a transition. What is the difference? The difference is an animation happens on this slide. So if I go up here to the animations tab and I click on this and I click on float in, it shows this has an animation. Something is happening to it. Okay. I can do it on all of them if that's what I wanted to do. Okay. So now if I would play this, I'm clicking and it's all showing up. Those are animations. You must have one animation on each slide. Then you have to have a transition. A transition goes from slide 2 to slide 3. So if I go here to transitions and I go to, let's see how it shows that. So now if I go here and I play it, whoops, wrong one, sorry. That is a transition to take me to slide 2 that has an animation on it. You have to have at least 8 slides. It has to have exactly what I put in the assignment of what it has to do. Once you are done, you need to go to export to video. It is under record. Go to export to video, export video, or exit. You can also go to file, export, create a video, and then you can, I would choose 720 and then create a video, and it will create the video. It must be created. I will not grade a PowerPoint. It might be the greatest PowerPoint ever, but this is TV production, which means I need a video. If you have any problems or questions, let me know.